Hey there, and welcome back. Glad to see you back for some more cookie coaching. Do you want to pick up where we left off with your last cookie recipe? Or, would you rather work on a new one? I really think you're going to like putting your own spin on the classic recipe. So get ready for some great options. To begin, let me know if you've got a dietary preference. Choose one. No eggs. Got it. Now, how do you like your cookie? Classic. Always a winner. It's extra morsel time. Please pick one. I like your style. Want to add one more thing? The more the merrier, right? Oats are a classic addition. How many cookies do you want to make? Standard batch. The classic. Awesome! I'm so excited for your cookie creation. Do you want me to walk you through your recipe now? You can also share it or print it for later. Did you know the chocolate chip cookie recipe that started it all? I think it's the best. We'll be going through this recipe step by step, with instructional videos too. Before we start, if you're not familiar with mixing techniques or equipment, I recommend taking a tutorial on it. So, ready to begin our tutorial first? The first step is simple but really important. Please preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, shall we keep going? While your oven's preheating, mix all your dry ingredients in a small bowl. But wait to add any chocolate morsels or nuts. That's for later. Are you with me so far? I knew you would be. Place your butter, sugar, and vanilla extract in a large mixing bowl and beat until creamy. It should look like this. Now, ready to move to the next step. Add your eggs or egg substitute one at a time into the large mixing bowl. Beat it well each time. If you're completely egg-free, you'll want to add 3 tablespoons of pumpkin or unsweetened applesauce for each egg. Want to learn more about eggs? Or should we just keep going? Okay, let's get that flour mixed out. You'll want to add it in slowly. A little bit at a time until it's all incorporated. Once that's done, you can add the morsels. Are you ready for that? After you finish mixing in the flour mix, it's time to add the morsels and optional nuts. If you're not adding nuts, add 1 to 2 extra tablespoons of flour to your. Grab a spoon or spatula and stir them all in by hand. Once they're blended in, you can scoop the dough. Let me know when you're ready. To scoop your dough, you can use a large soup spoon, a tablespoon, or a tablespoon-sized ice cream scoop. Grab up full but level scoops and put them on an ungreased cookie sheet. About 1.5 inches apart are best. Now, tell me, are you ready to start baking now? Finally, the baking part. First, check that your oven is at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then slide your cookies in and bake for 9 to 11 minutes, or until golden brown. Want to know when they're done? There are 2 basic steps to cooling. First, leave them on the sheet for 2 minutes. Then transfer to a wire rack to finish cooling. Super easy. Want some tips on storing your cookies? Or are you all done? So, there you have it. chocolate chip cookies done right. So, would you say this experience has been helpful?